I onboarded 3 SaaS users in 7 days. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process that I use so that you could onboard your very first few SaaS subscribers to your platform in the first week. Step 1 is picking your niche. So don't get stuck overthinking this. The best niches are the ones that already pay for softwares. Like this, contractors, med spas, realtors, HVAC companies, they all need systems willing to pay monthly. My simple rule is to choose buyers, not browsers. Okay, that's super important. If a business already spends money on tools, they'll happily switch, and it saves them time and then it saves them money. It also makes them money. So here's just a few examples of different niches you can choose. Don't spend too long on this. Spend a good few hours and pick your industry with a high value ticket service. The second step is I went ahead and went to GoHighLevel and I cloned the proven SaaS Snapshot that already had everything: funnels, ads, templates, automations, everything you could possibly need for a particular niche business. And what I did is I created a pricing plan. I'm right here to GoHighLevel with the SaaS configurator and click add your plan. Okay, let's just assume we created our plans. We got our starter plan, we got our pro plan, enterprise plan, right? So we will create your pricing plans based on what you want to do for your pricing. Third is I started reaching out to businesses on social media and started sending out messages just like this. Hey Sarah, I built this software that helps med spas book more clients without chasing leads. Can I send you a quick 2-minute demo? Now, step 4 is real simple. You're just gonna go ahead and create a checkout page and you make sure you connect it to Stripe. Once you go ahead and do that, you're gonna be able to start collecting payments to automatic subscribers. That's how easy it is. You've demoed it, you showed a Loom video, you talked to the client, and that's the quick 4 steps on how to get your first few SaaS clients as soon as possible. And that's just a quick high-level overview of how to get your very first few SaaS clients without spending a single dollar on ads. By the end of the first week, I had 3 paying subscribers without paying a single dollar to advertising. Just literally cloning a system, launching it, and start collecting recurring income from day 1. If you want to shortcut this process, go ahead and comment down below or click on the link down below and get the exact free step-by-step course training on how to start this online leverage SaaS business model so you can finally quit your 9 to 5 or quit these other online business models that just aren't working for you. Go ahead, click the free course, get access today, and I'll show you exactly how to do this.